Okay, so good afternoon everyone. My name is CJ Lumibo and today we are going to discuss the instructions for your final examination. So, okay, meron tayo dito, as you can see, meron tayong file name, file rather na merong header, Sweet Berries Cheesecakes Avenue, available products, ayan. And kung mapapansin nyo, itong Excel file na ito ay meron siyang tatlong sheets, namely SB Desk, SB Prod, and SB Sold. Okay, so before we dive into our sheets, let's take a look on our first sheet. Okay, so meron tayong product ID 111122, so and so forth, product name. Okay, so sa instructions nyo, kanya-kanyang name na ng products. Okay, so as well as yung business name and logo. So kayo nang bahala dyan. Basta available product, sabi nyo dyan, ganyan. Price, siguro, let's stick to our price right here. Okay. Stock, siguro ganito na lang. Yung price nyo is kanya-kanyang price na lang din, and yung stock, ganito, same lang sa, natin, sa video natin. So, stock is 20 hanggang 15. Ayan. And yung product ID is gawin nyo same na lang din. Ang pinagkaiba lang sa inyo lang itong rather kanya-kanya ng product name at price. Okay? Ayan. And kanya-kanyang business name and logo as well. So, kung titingnan naman natin yung second sheet, which is yung SB Prod, we have our product ID and available stock right here. And price, yun, meron tayong price. We have items sold and updated stock. Okay, so pretty much similar lang doon sa parang activity natin last time. But if we are going to take a look on our third sheet, meron tayong again Sweet Berries Cheesecakes Avenue product sold. Okay, we have our date here, product sold field and item sold field. Okay, so i-center ko lang yan saglit. Ayan. Let me adjust. Okay, so ito, I have made this file using, or rather this file evolves around the topic lookup function. So if I put here 10, ganyan. For example, sa day na December 10, 2023, may mga nabenta tayong products ID na meron tayong 111, 122, 233, ganyan. So, sa product ID, which is, product ID 111, which is, siya, assorted brownies, nakabenta tayo ng 10. And sa 122, which is, assorted brownies small, nakabenta tayo ng 5 at this day. And then sa ito, product ID 233, nakabenta tayo ng baked cheesecakes 5, and then gawin na lang natin 10. Ito 7, 8, 7, 7. Okay? And kung mapapansin nyo, if we take a look at this part, kung mapapansin nyo, ito di ba 0 kanina? So kung ano yung nilagay natin dito, mag-appear din dito. Okay? So, ayan. Ulitin natin. Sige, gawin natin 0. Gawin natin 0. Yung mga yan. Sige, so 0. Dito, lalabas as 0. Then, and kung mapapansin, available stock and yung updated stock, walang nagbago. Kasi walang bumibili, di ba? Kaya hindi siya nagbabago. So, if I revert back to our previous values, meron tayong 10, 5, 10. Kung mapapansin nyo dito, ito yung available stock, pero may bumili na 10. Siyempre, ang matitira is 10. Okay? Ayan. 20, 5, 15. Yan. Ayan. Ito yung default stock natin sa araw na yon, and nababawasan ng 7. So, 8 na lang. So, sa product 231, meron tayong 20 na available stock sa araw na yon, pero may bumili ng 7. So, ang updated stock natin is 13. Yan. Sa product ID na 444, may 20 stock tayo sa araw na yon. May bumili ng 7, so 13 na lang din. So and so forth. And kung titignan natin dito sa desk, babalik tayo dito. As you can see, nabawasan na rin yung stock. Available stock. Okay, nabawasan na rin. So ito, naka-reference yan dito sa ating updated stock. Okay? So clue na yon. So, yan na lang yung natitira. So, if I, for example, may bumili ulit. May bumili, naging 20, for example, 19 yung bumili ng product ID na 111. Ayan, kung mapapansin nyo, isa na lang yung stock. Kasi yung default stock natin that time is 20. So, may bumili ng 19. Ayan, updated stock is 1 na lang natitira. So, lalabas dito 1. Okay. And, also, huwag kakalimutan, yung price din. Okay? So, for example, nagmahal yung si product ID na 111, which is assorted brownies small. Since, December na, let's say, may discount sila na 10 pesos. 10 pesos. Okay? So, magiging 90 na lang yan. Okay? So, dito, lalabas din dito 90. Okay? So, kung ito, ginawa kong 150, for example, nagmahal. Yan. So, dito, lalabas din 150. For example, nagkamali ako. Naging 1,150. So, dito, lalabas din 1,150. Okay? So, let me revert back to our previous values. Ayan. So, yun. For further questions, kindly, PM me lang sa GC natin or sa True PM. So, yan. Ito po yung ating final examination and good luck to you all.